Write the beginning letters. इब्तदाई हरूफ लिखिए. Dear kids, प्यारे बच्चों, now we learn to identify and write beginning letter of the given words. अब हम दिए गए अल्फाज का इब्तदाई हरफ पहचान कर लिखना सीखते हैं. Here we see the picture of an ant. Here is written dash N T. The first letter of ant is A. So we write here A. Here we see the picture of a ball. Here is written dash A double L. The first letter of ball is B. So we write here B. Here we see the picture of a fan. Here is written dash A N. The first letter of fan is F. So we write here F. Here we see the picture of an aeroplane. Here is written dash E R O P L A N E. The first letter of aeroplane is A. So we write here A. Here we see the picture of a net. Here is written dash E T. The first letter of net is N. So we write here N. Here we see the picture of an egg. Here is written dash double G. The first letter of egg is E. So we write here E. Here we see the picture of a car. Here is written dash A R. The first letter of car is C. So we write here C. Here we see the picture of a pencil. Here is written dash E N C I L. The first letter of pencil is P. So we write here P. Here we see the picture of a sun. Here is written dash U N. The first letter of sun is S. So we write here S. Here we see the picture of a hand. Here is written dash A N D. The first letter of hand is H. So we write here H. Here we see the picture of a cap. Here is written dash A P. The first letter of cap is C. So we write here C. Here we see the picture of a zip. Here is written dash I P. The first letter of zip is Z. So we write here Z.